Hi, I'm Angel. I had two properties in foreclosure, like most people in this country. And sometimes most people don't even have two properties to put into foreclosure. Fortunately, I met Jesse, and Jesse taught me a lot of things that I thought I knew about foreclosures and houses. I used to be a realtor, so I thought I knew a lot. What Jesse found out was that two things happened with my property that was totally inappropriate, which has allowed me to stay in my properties for a year now without paying a single mortgage payment. The first was that they didn't properly serve me. Instead of putting my properties in a regular circulation, a regular newspaper, they put it in some unknown, obscure Jewish publication. So that's strike number one. Number two, the judge threw it out because it was an obscure publication. So there's thousands of homes that have been in that publication that now might be able to also avoid foreclosure because the judge says that this newspaper wasn't sufficient. The second thing that happened was my property was broken into by the foreclosure mill lawyer who the bank paid to get to my property before my foreclosure. They changed my locks. They even put the name of the locksmith company that changed my locks and the name of my lender. So what that basically allowed me to do is file for criminal trespassing and breaking and entering. You can't enter into a property before it's foreclosed on. So now the foreclosure mill is saying, well, it wasn't me, and of course the bank is saying it wasn't me. So now Jesse has them both at a conflict of interest because you have a felony trespassing and breaking and entering charge for a house that they thought that they were just going to walk into because I hadn't made my payments and I was just going to run off like a roach when the lights came on. The third thing that happened also, unbeknownst, and I forgot to mention, when they served the foreclosure papers, they had two people I've never heard of as owners with me. I own the property myself, okay? I own both properties by myself. Now by adding an owner out of the clear blue sky and then saying that property was a homestead property, they got all of the paperwork wrong. Long story short, I've gone to different lawyers, big shots, the ones with the billboards off of the streets. They say that they can help you with their homes. And I end up going to Jesse, who's not a lawyer, and it ends up being that he has all the answers. And I'm very grateful to him that both of my properties I've been able to stay in for over 12 months because of him, and by him quashing the service with the whole fraud that went on with the publication and the trespassing into my property, I'm going to be able to stay there for another year without making mortgage payments.